Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error. This software cannot be used at the same time as the game DiscSoftLTD, Damon Tools, in EA Sports FC 26. Let's go step by step and get this fixed. Step 1. First, open the Start menu and type Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Locate any Damon Tools services. Right-click them and select End Task. Make sure to repeat this for all other Damon Tools services you see. Once done, try launching your game to check if the error is gone. If not, continue with the next steps. Step 2. Open the Start menu again and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand the section Storage Controllers. Right-click on Damon Tools and select Disable Device. Press Yes to confirm. When it asks to restart, select No for now. Now expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Find any Tools device, right-click, and select Disable Device. Press Yes to confirm. After this, restart your PC. Step 3. Open the Start menu and type Add or Remove Programs. Open the Add or Remove Programs settings. Scroll down and locate Damon Tools. Click on the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Press Uninstall again and then click Yes. Make sure to select Clear App Data including Preferences and Activation Info. Click on Uninstall and wait for the process to finish. Finally, press Reboot now. And that's it! After uninstalling or disabling Damon Tools, you should no longer see the error. This software cannot be used at the same time as the game when playing EA Sports FC 26. If this video helped you, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more PC gaming fixes, and let me know in the comments if this solved your issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.